Hey there! Are you looking to tag someone in a post on Facebook using your Android phone? In this video, we'll show you how to do just that. To get started, log into your Facebook account on your Android phone. Next, write your new post in the status update prompt at the top of your newsfeed or profile page. Once you've written your post, click on Tag People. This will bring up a search bar where you can start typing the name of the person you want to tag. As you type, Facebook will suggest names for you to choose from. When you see the name of the person you want to tag, click on it. If the person you want to tag isn't on the list, you can simply finish typing their name. Repeat these steps if you're trying to tag more than one person in the same post. Once you've tagged the person or people you want to include in your post, click Next. This will take you to the screen where you can add a location or share your post with specific people. When you're ready to post, click Post in the upper right corner of the screen. Your post will now appear on your Facebook profile with the people you've tagged in it. It's important to note that when you tag someone in a post, they will receive a notification letting them know that they've been tagged. This can be useful if you want to draw someone's attention to a particular post, or if you want to share a memory with someone. In summary, here are the steps to tag someone in a post on Facebook on Android. 1. Log into your Facebook account on your Android phone. 2. Write your new post in the status update prompt at the top of your newsfeed or profile page. 3. Click on Tag People. 4. Start typing the name of the person you want to tag. 5. Click the name of the person you want to tag as it pops up. 6. Repeat if you're trying to tag more than one person. 7. Click Next. 8. Click Post in the upper right corner of the screen. That's it. Tagging someone in a post is a great way to share memories and draw attention to particular posts on Facebook. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials on social media and technology.